Welcome to Finance with Master Chef Wong. In this video, Master Chef Wong will walk you through the process to calculate the cost of raw ingredients that goes into the making of one of his most delicious and favorite sauce, the Marmite sauce. There are 12 ingredients that goes into the making of this sauce. It is not easy if you will need to find out the exact cost of making this sauce with pen and paper. Fortunately, with FCW, this is a simple process. Let's find out. It is a 4-step process. Step 1. All ingredients need to be standardized in measurement. FCW uses grams as a standard of measurement. Amount of water required need to be converted to grams. Tomato sauce, fish gravy and so on will need to be in grams. Step 2. Open sauce recipe 1. Open FCW, have the two files side by side for easy reference. Step 3. Find the ingredient code for each item in FCW and fill it in sauce recipe 1. Step 4. Fill in the quantity required for each ingredient for the recipe. The cost for the Marmite sauce would automatically be calculated and displayed. Step 2. Open sauce recipe 1. Open FCW, have the two files side by side for easy reference. Sauce recipe 1 will be able to hold up to 100 recipes. Each recipe on sauce recipe 1 corresponds to a particular location in FCW's sauce recipe 1. In this example, Marmite sauce recipe corresponds to row 11530. Once all the ingredients have been entered in sauce recipe 1, the other data fields will be automatically populated for the entire row. Let's continue with the Marmite sauce example. Key in the recipe name, Marmite sauce, in the sauce recipe 1. Then followed by the Chinese name. The Chinese name is optional if you do not have one. Continue with step 2. Find the ingredients for Marmite sauce in FCW. Each ingredient is identified by its item code. Find the item codes and key that into the sauce recipe 1. Let's start with Marmite. The code for Marmite sauce is 0887. Continue with the next ingredient. Maggi seasoning. The code for Maggi seasoning is 0765. Continue to find all ingredients for Marmite sauce the same way. Make use of the Find Ingredients toolbar or Find All method. The last ingredient in the recipe is fish seasoning extract. The code for fish seasoning extract is 3736. Let's go back to FCW and take a look at the row for Marmite sauce. Notice that all the other fields in the row are still empty. This is because the quantity required of each ingredient in the recipe is still empty. Once the quantities have been entered, the fields in the Marmite sauce row will be filled. The next step is step 4. Enter the quantity required for each ingredient in grams. Once all the quantities of all ingredients have been entered, the cost will automatically be calculated. The total weight is 6,990 grams. And the total cost is $43.33. Total cost divided by total weight will give us a cost per kilo. In this case, the cost per kilo for Marmite sauce is $6.48. These data are all automated, calculated and populated in FCW. We now need to make some adjustment for yield test. After cooking the Marmite sauce, the total weight would have been reduced to 6,000 grams from 6,990 grams due to evaporation. Once the quantity is adjusted for yield test, the yield test data will be calculated and the adjusted cost per kilo will automatically be calculated. The adjusted cost per kilo is now $7.22. Let FCW take care of all the hard and manual work of doing food cost calculations. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for your time.